Your phone is ringing. Your heart beats fast. You know English, but still you feel nervous. What will you say? What if you make a mistake? If this sounds like you, stay with me, because today we will fix this together. Hello and welcome.
I'm Anum.
And today's topic is very important. English for phone calls. Speak calmly and confidently. Phone calls are scary for many people. You cannot see the other person. You cannot read their face. You only hear the voice. And suddenly English feels harder.
But don't worry.
You are not alone. And you are not bad at English. Let's start. First, I want to say something important. You do not need perfect English on phone calls. You need calm English.
Clear English.
Slow English.
Yes. Slow.
Most people panic and speak fast. Fast words.
Fast breath.
And then mistakes. So step 1 is very simple.
Slow down.
Before you speak, take one small breath. Just one.
Then speak.
Let me ask you a question. When the phone rings, what do you say? Many people freeze here. But the opening can be very easy. You can say, "Hello, this is Anum speaking."
Or,
"Hello, Anum here." That's it. Simple.
clean.
Confident. You don't need long sentences. Now, imagine this. Someone calls you. They speak fast. You don't understand. What do? Many learners say yes, yes, even when they don't understand. Please don't do that. It creates more problems later. It is okay to say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?"
Or,
"Sorry, I didn't understand." This is not weakness. This is confidence. Let me say it again. Asking again is confidence. Now, let's talk about one big fear. Silence. On phone calls, silence feels scary. But silence is okay. If you need time, say this. "Just a moment, please."
Or,
"Let me check." These small sentences give you power. They give you time. Now, imagine you are calling a company, a bank, a delivery service, a hospital. You want information. You can start like this. "Hello, I'm calling to ask about." Slow.
clear.
Not fast. Not nervous. And if you feel your voice shaking, it's okay. Many people feel that way. Here is a small trick. Smile while speaking. Yes, smile. Even on the phone. When you smile, your voice sounds calmer.
Try it.
Now I want to talk about mistakes. Because mistakes will happen. You may say a wrong word. You may stop in the middle. It's fine. Do not say, "I'm bad at English." Never say that. Say this instead. "Sorry, let me say that again." This sentence is your friend. Use it. Now, quick recap. We talked about slowing down. We talked about simple openings. We talked about asking again. And we talked about silence. You're doing great so far. Let me share a very common situation. You are on a call. The other person says something you don't know. One word feels new. What can you do? You can say, "Sorry, what does that mean?" Very simple. Very natural. People will help you. Most people are kind. Now, here is something very important. Phone calls are a skill, not a talent. Skills grow with practice. Your first call may feel bad. Your second call feels a little better. Your 10th call feels okay. Your 20th call feels normal. This is how it works. Do not wait to feel confident. Confidence comes after action. Let me ask you another question. Do you practice phone calls? Many learners practice reading. Many practice listening. But they avoid calls. I want you to change that. You can practice with a friend. You can practice alone. Yes, alone. Speak out loud. Pretend the phone is ringing. Say hello. Answer questions. It may feel funny, but it works. Remember this line. Calm voice, simple words. Say it again with me. Calm voice. Simple words. That is the secret.
Now we are near the end.
Let me remind you. You understand English. You are learning. You are improving.
Phone calls do not decide your value.
They are just conversations. The next time your phone rings, don't panic.
Breathe. Smile.
Speak slowly. You can do this. Before I go, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments. What scares you most about phone calls in English? If this episode helped you, please like the video. Subscribe for more friendly English practice. We are learning together. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Goodbye and see you in the next one.